there's like 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 baby rat that my husband caught. It was in this fern in the big pot, and the mama is making a house. That's why he kept going in this fern, because he has a hole in it and he has a house in the inside. Ay, ay, ay. So I have to redo planting this fern. Goodbye, baby rat. Oh my goodness. No wonder the mama is dying to go back. They are big, they're fat. Fatso. What the? They just born. That is crazy. That is crazy.